Hey, designers! Let's create this fairy dust in After Effects. Take a new composition. Now make a new solid. Go to Layer. New. Solid. Go to Effects and Presets. If you can't find it here, go to Windows and click here. Search CC Particle System. Drag and drop it on the layer. Play the animation and you'll see this. Make the birth rate 0.5. Longevity 1. Go to Producer Properties. Radius X, 0. Radius Y 0. Go to Physics Properties. Make the velocity 0.1. Inherit velocity 0. Gravity, 0.1. Go to Particle Properties. Change it from line to star. Depth size, 0. Change the color to white. Now let's animate its position. Add a keyframe to the position. Place it where you want the fairy dust to start moving. Move few frames forward. Change position. Few frames forward and change the position. Keep on doing it to the point where you want it to end. I'll change its yellow color to white. The animation is done. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button, drop a comment to show your support, and subscribe for more content.